student, let's discuss the question. We have to write the following function in the simplest form, and the function is tangent inverse of x divided by the under root a square minus x square. In order to simplify this, we have to convert x divided by the under root of a square minus x square in the form of tangent. Now, in order to simplify this, one generalization is there. Whenever we are having the function which is the form of under root of 1 minus x square, we either put x as sine of theta or cos of theta. Now we are having this, that is under root of a square minus x square. So we are putting the value of x. In order to simplify this, we are putting the value of x as a sine of theta. So we just plug the value of x as 8 sine of theta. So this function from here become equals to sine inverse of x. X is a sine of theta, so a sine of theta, which is divided by the under root of a square minus a square sine square of a square sine square of theta. So this from here become equals to tangent inverse of a sine of theta. We can take under root a square common from here, under root a square common from here. So we are only left with under root of 1 minus sine square of theta inside this. Now under root 2 square cancel. So we are having this value as, this become equals to tangent inverse of a sine of theta divided by a under root of 1 minus sine square of theta. Now this a to a cancel. Now we are having the value as tangent inverse of sine of theta, which is divided by the under root of 1 minus sine square of theta. Now we know that sine square of theta plus minus, we know that sine square of theta plus cos square of theta is equals to 1. So we can write 1 minus sine square of theta as cos square of theta. So plugging this value here, so this from here become equals to tangent inverse of sine of theta divided by the under root 1 minus sine square of theta become equals to cos square of theta. So this from here become equals to tangent inverse of sine of theta. Now square to under root cancel, this become equals to cos of theta, and we know that sine of theta divided by the cos of theta is equals to tangent of theta. So this from here become equals to tangent inverse of tangent theta. Now this tangent inverse to tangent cancel, we are only left with theta. So we are only left with theta here. Now we assume that x is equals to a sine of theta. We have to find out the value of theta. So we can write this as x divided by a is equals to sine of theta. So theta from here become equals to sine inverse of x divided by a. So we can say that the answer to this question is equals to sine inverse of x divided by a. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of inverse trigonometric functions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.